Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to use these OxiClean washing machine cleaners. So here we're going to clean my washing machine. Okay, so you're simply going to open it up. You're going to get one of these packets out of here. Okay, there's the active ingredients in it. Okay, so make sure there's no clothes in here. We're not going to put any detergent or anything up here. This is going to stay, we're not going to put anything up here. We're going to put the packet in here after we open it up. Okay, so these do tear real easy. Simply tear the bag open. It's got a really fine powder. Just put the powder, all of it in there. There's what the powder looks like. Now we're going to close this. Now, if your washing machine has a tub clean, you're going to turn it on, go all the way over the tub clean, and hit start. If you don't have a tub clean, just select normal wash and select hot water. If you don't have hot water, you can use cold water. All right, so let's take a look and see how well it's going to clean. It's got to add some water, and we'll be doing some updates on it. Okay, so it is really starting to suds up a lot. It's going to wash the machine a lot, then it's going to rinse it, and then we're going to check and see how it does when it's all done. Okay, so it's all done. Let's go ahead and take a look. Yeah, it smells really good. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.